everybody, today we are going to see how to clean dust inside your LCD projector. When you buy a new LCD projector, the picture quality will be nice. Over a period of time, you can see there will be dust particles inside your LCD projector. So you can see the picture is not that much clear and you can see many dust particles in the lens and inside your LCD projector. Now let us see how to clean this. This video is for learning purpose only. Let us see. Now open the screws inside your LCD projector. This LCD projector has 5 screws. I am going to unscrew all of them so that you can open the panel that is at the top. So let us see how to do it. Now let us unscrew it. Due care should be taken when you are doing this type of things. Now I am going to open the top panel of the LCD projector. Care should be taken so that the internal components should not be broken. Now I am removing this wire that is connected to the board. So the top panel is removed. Now inside this you can see there are 3 screws. You can unscrew those 3 screws so that you can open the lens part as well as the reflecting mirror parts that are there in the LCD projector. This is the reflecting mirror. You can see there are many dust particles in this. Use a small soft cloth to clean this. Clean on both sides. Once again, keep the mirror inside this LCD projector. Now there are some more lenses available. You can see here, this is the lens. The glass, there are 2 or more reflecting glasses. Take those glasses, use a soft cloth to clean. Care should be taken. You should replace or keep the glasses in the same position. Otherwise, your LCD projector will not work correctly. After cleaning all the glasses and lenses, you can screw the internal 3 screws. After screwing this, slowly you can fix the top panel. Once again, keep the wire in the same position and lock the pin with the board. Do it correctly. This is the main thing. So keep the wires at the same position so that the top panel fixes correctly. Due care should be taken. Now I am closing the top panel. Once again, I am going to screw all the 5 screws. After completing this, let us check the quality of the video. All the dust particles will be removed and your video will be good. Subscribe our channel EduCrawl. You can forward this video to all your friends and relatives. During this COVID period, these types of videos will be very useful to them. Please share.